Morning. We've been working on the video long time. How about you fertilizing ground, working fertilizer, and about you plant him or something. Suppose you find him, want him something you can use him, put him ground, grow him, some flower or kumu you like long him. You can use him tire. Tire na, you can cut him tire. Na put him all want something you like put him inside them. So bam show him how to cut him tire. Sa tire bam cut him. So bam show him how to cut him na how to turn him tire na bakam up kind of sem or this kind na boy plan him or something. Now we ready him tire finish bam cut him tire. Before you cut him tire you put him mark or triangle mark. You can use him knife. So me use him knife no clear too much so bam use him makalok walk him slow triangle mark. You walk him all illegal triangle mark walk him round him mogata taya tamila cut him this all triangle or V shape or W or you can call him one shape you call him long him. This la boy you cut him one plus side blow him past time. Round him mogata past time. Then you cut him another plus side so by easy lo you. So this la triangle stop long him. Kind of same now. And bomb cut him one plug amosem, one plug amosem, one plug cut him amosem go finish round him. Now bomb cut him this la all now rouse him. So you place him knife start lo this la side. You place him knife na you cut him come down osem. And one side and finish. Then you cut him and you finish him. So look at me cut him. One side and me cut him, come inside. The round him ogata finish. Now one cut him. This la side come join him this la. Cut him this side come join him, cut him come join him now by rouse him. You can cut him ogeta but just lo avoid him lo move ko come you cut him at least inside lo ya past them larem this la panga map stop you cut him this la ogeta side finish now then you can cut him rouse him ogeta. So boy me cut him osem. Time you cut him. You can cut him rouse him. You cut him rouse him mogeta. So time you cut him na bilu keme bakam osem bakam loose osem. Time you cut him osem now. Time you cut him osem na bilu keme bakam loose osem. So you continue cutting osem until you finish round him mogeta. Time you cut him around him mogeta ne amba look kind of same. So now me got him two last part lo cut him. But me cut him rouse him now. You can wear him hand glove. So first time we lo walk him but you see some blister. But you see some blister. But you know remember right, so you must, if you wear a glove you can wear a glove. So time you cut him rouse him mogata now and bakam up kind of him. So yeah. Now we cut him on the side the tire finish. Okay, some lines are turn him after cut him this low so turn him straight, but I was first time below walk him but you see big bagara blow trying to turn him. So what you walk him you cut him this la cut him straight. This la ring ya. You cut him rouse him this plan now. And walk him easily lo turn him tire. So bam go ahead lo cut him this la. Tire strong click. Once you cut him now. Cut him. around him, cut him around him mogota. Na rausim sila. Inside na bawa kemisili lotani. Time start cut him labnya na me cut him kam round him mosim. Now me plani lo cut him rausim disla now. Bayi me tanim disla. Inside out na bakama plus blow. Bayi me put him on me. So put him good now. You can wear a shoe or something to protect him with glove. Me walking con andom strong so right. But me cut him was but you big simplista. So some first time guys so. Then you cut him rosim na finish now. Okay. Now I'm hot lo pat lo walking. Lo tanim sila tayo. You must kaya good kisim strong good na biyan ni tanim tayo. Isla mem. Cut him no hard him lo tanim mem hot lo way walking. So because something people are walking, maybe you must try him low, bend him. Sometimes you can push him so, but bend him now. That's where bomb start low. Turn him tire. So you start bend him low on the side. Up the walk like. You can see to plaman low, okay? Am I right? Something and you start him to one side, you walk him. You see knee blue, help him, you bend him. I bend him. And back come one hand. And time and bend also now. And corner we like low max come up. And you must struggle. Turn him this leg inside now. Hard to walk it. So now me to time walk slow. Mas kaya basta na. Then you walk in. Namin sa like le mas kam lo dis lagay. Kona now. Em sila kona em sa. Habig lo. Tani. So me nag-dry lick so me drink some nawara basta. Andu babista. Sabse ni plata lo ke advice saboli lo werim long platrausis. So ni bli banana simplan di bagara. And what me like him, must be like him mas bendi mem kamosem. Bendi mem kamosem now em. Time em come up lo here now. Em ba wokim isi lo bo me pla tanim. Sometimes I come to this lab, I'm sorry. Challenge slick. You know, challenge slick. I'm big challenge to start to this lab. So, on man got him, we blow all of him. We all sabe lo kim, expert, we all by talking you. Me. At him tayo, me line him so. I still look to struggle lo tanim. Big something. Like kissing this like Konaya. Let's go inside of Sam. Go. Okay. Now struggle like. Can I come up now? Now you struggle like. Put him come inside. Yeah, that's it. Okay, now I'm alright now. Lapan na. Pati mo siya. Tanim na siya. Nice, straight him. Put him na. Tanim na. Okay, I'm finished now. Flower pot don't tell plan him. Mix him ground a plan him. Kai flower. Flower am come up now. Thank you.